Would you look at that? Oh my goodness. Every so often, I've said it before, I'll say it again, you get something here in the studio that's just, it's not like something you've ever seen before. This is one of those items. This is one of those moments. It's the Super Anthony Robot Fighting League. It's a fighting robot. It's all because of Willie Doo. He's a maniac. He's a psychopath. And he arranged for these to show up. I don't know anything about this. Apparently you run these things off of a PlayStation controller. I'm a little bit pumped. Whoa. Got the signature on the front with the paperwork. You know it's serious. Some cabling. Does he stand on this? I'm guessing that he does. And then Super Anthony himself. Oh man. Let me see. Holy, it's like a mini little Boston Dynamics. Whoa. Okay then. So when he's not fighting, you give him a little rest. This is where he's gonna be, I suppose. In the other box, PlayStation 4 controller, but it looks like a generic version of one. An easy balance charger, couple of batteries. I mean, how are these things really gonna, what, are we really meant to fight them? Like, this has a tripod mount. This looks like you mount a phone on there. The visual takes form with the decals. It's like the old days. The decals bring it to life. Oh, look, he can train punching a water bottle. See, that's his heavy bag. Should I get this charging? Probably. Let's see here.
That's good.
Hang on a second, man. What the? First of all, they're not supposed to be on the stands anymore. I think you should take your guy off the stand because he's trying to do something right now.
I'm not touching him.
Take him off the stand.
It's yours. Give me that. It's my controller, man.
Oh, I will. I will. Yeah! This is cool, man.
Okay, give me my guy back.
This is cool.
This is your guy. I don't want that guy.
Yo, this is my guy, dude.
Okay, all right, just take it easy for a second while I get my guy.
Oh!
Set up.
This is. Oh, that is powerful as well.
You're gonna break it before we even get this thing going. You're gonna bust. Stop it, man. Why won't my guy stand? Just chill for a second, okay? There's gonna be no video because you're gonna break this thing.
Oh man, this is so cool. It moves surprisingly fluidly. Let's throw the mat on the surface. Even. Hey man!
No, I got it working though. Get over here.
What?
Come here.
You die. Let's get the mat on.
All right. Oh my God, brother! You want a piece of me? Come get it!
Oh no!
Oh, whoa!
The guys who are good at this must be so upset with us right now.
Yeah. Oh, that was a good one, eh? Wow. Oh. Whoops. Oh. Well, folks, as you can tell, there was a battle, and I don't know where everybody else went, but yeah, it was a great time. These robots are a lot of fun and super cool, and that's about all I have to say about that. All right, that's it. See you on the next episode. Well, I guess you can put smartphones on their heads. We didn't try that. They fall down sometimes, but I think that was a user problem. They're different though. I mean, there's nothing else out there that I'm aware of that's like these, and I'm here, so I know about a lot of cool stuff. Okay, so they're way more powerful than I would have guessed. I think that they got a lot more reach, like the arms. I would have thought it was really you know, short, but the punches, I can't really tell, they go all the way over there like that, right? So I could see some good battles. Wasn't there there's like a league for these things, so I think obviously there's other people that are having these these battles. You should get them down here, battle them. I'd like to actually program them to get some more moves, right? That's possible, I think, right? Thumbs up if you liked it. I couldn't afford one, to be honest with you. You need like your friends or other people to, you know, play with. You can't. I don't know. I don't know anybody that owns one. I would do it if I had some extra dough lying around. But eventually, gonna have to get some more moves, which apparently you can program these things. But don't quote me on that because I have no idea. Probably have to put some time into it, which I don't have any of that either. So. Maybe they'll come down in price, you know, in the future when things are cheaper, and maybe they scale these things. Nothing against the people that made these. I think they're amazing units and, you know, super cool. And for the gadgety guy, get your parents to get off their wallets and grab one for you for Christmas, or maybe they got weapons. I don't know, weapons. Maybe that's too much. I don't know, guns or something, I guess. Maybe they got knives. I don't know, maybe that's a little too much, knives. I don't know, what am I talking about? It's just different. They're unique, and someone put a lot of time and effort into putting these things together. Pretty sure they did. I want to thank everybody for being here with me today. It's been tough, and I'm just happy that I'm alive and well, and things are going great. So thank you. I'll see you tomorrow.
All right.
I'm not a robot guy. Just not a robot guy.